everyone, welcome back to my channel Diekeshter. So today I'm super excited because we have something to unbox. So this is the Matchbox from the rare edition that I forgot the racing team's car, something like that, and it just arrived. So I've been waiting for a moment and I can't wait to share with you guys. Okay. So let's unboxing this Matchbox. So why I exciting on this Matchbox thing that probably the rating. I never collect the Matchbox on the Nascar model. So yeah, I saw on the Instagram they sold this one and this one. Okay, the superstar racing superstar Matchbox diecast on Nascar. So mentioned here probably is morganshepherd or something like that. Maybe you can comment on the column. So it's quite vintage and this is new collection for me, especially regarding to the Nascar casting, diecast casting. Okay, it's probably Ford Thunderbird. It's quite impressive. So the color is red with the tampon number 15. So yeah, it's probably signed by Mr. Morgan. Is one of the Nascar driver. Yeah, because it's not famous in my country regarding to the Nascar, and yeah, I should take this on my collection. Okay, time to breathe up. Yeah, so I try to find the more information regarding to this casting, but yeah, so yeah, absolutely that NASCAR is one of the very competitive racing event, and yeah, it's very bright. So this my understanding that this car is a Ford Thunderbird, and you see this from Matchbox. Yes, correct. So Ford Thunderbird Matchbox, made in China, and it's 1991. The scale is 166. So I love the NASCAR car. Is about the tire, and yeah, mentioned that the Motorcraft, their sponsor, and also on the wiki this car is driven by Mr. Morgan. So that's quite impressive casting. I love it, and yeah, it's not only diecast but it's more important the story of this casting. So that's it for me. Unboxing on the Racing Superstars Matchbox. This should be on my collection. So see you in next episode. Thank you very much.